Stacy.
And Stephanie.
Today we're going to make beef veggie rolls.
Actually, this is my signature dish. So I cook this often whenever my friends come over.
So we are using beef brisket and a lot of veggies here.
It's very easy to make and it's good to have a lot of veggies.
So basically you roll the veggies inside the beef and steam it.
Sounds healthy, huh?
And today we are pairing with this 불닭볶음면.
Yay! It's known as fire chicken noodles. Have you tried it? It's my favorite noodle.
Yeah, but today our concept is healthy.
Being healthy.
So we're using light version. Sounds yummy, right?
Yeah, I'm getting hungry.
Me too. So should we start cooking?
So let's begin.
Let's check the ingredients. Some beef brisket you can get at the Korean market. Bean sprouts, enoki mushrooms, perla leaf, and Asian chives. First, cut the perla leaves into half. And cut the enoki mushrooms into about a finger size. And some Asian chives into same size. And it's so simple. You put every ingredient in the beef brisket and roll it. Just like making egg rolls.
Or like kimbap.
Yes! Make sure to roll tight so the beef can hold all the ingredients. Just like that. One more. We're gonna repeat, and repeat today. Once you roll all the beef you have, it's all done. Super easy, right?
Yes. Finally, I'm helping.
Yay! Because we had so much beef, we had to roll it together.
Make it with the kids. It's family cooking time.
Or your friends.
That looks good.
We used a special steamer, but you can use anything, just like pot and steam pots or whatever you have.
That's a lot of beef. I cook this a lot with my friends whenever they come to my place. It's very fun to make and easy to cook. Just roll it and steam it and beef rolls are ready. Now it's time to steam. Steam for about 20 minutes. Just look at the color of the meat. If it's brown, it's cooked. Let's make the sauce.
We need 3 spoons of water, 1 spoon of vinegar, sugar, and soy sauce, and some black pepper. It's so simple. Mix everything in a bowl and mix it well.
So that's like ponzu sauce, right?
Yes. It goes so well with steamed meat. Wow!
Yay!
That looks so good.
Yum! Guess what? Now it's time for 불닭볶음면.
불닭 time! Just follow the instruction. But always don't forget to leave a little bit of water before you mix with the sauce. That was a light version, but it was still good.
Yeah, it's healthy but still yummy.
Look at that color. It looks so spicy. And don't forget to put the flakes at the end.
먹겠습니다.
That's almost about 3 or 4 servings.
But we finished it.
맛있지?
That's so red.
So it goes so well with the beef. See that?
Yum! Again, it's a little mukbang time.
너무 맛있어.
See? I say delicious again.
Now it's my turn. The veggies inside is so crunchy.
Look at your serious face.
That means it's so good. Thanks for coming back, guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And for more details, visit our blog.
We'll come back next week, guys.